What you think, Rufous? It's all white and funny. What you think, Rufous? It's all white and funny. He thought it was really funny last night. He got so excited. He was running around the yard. He says it messes up my sniffs. You can't even get up your nose. You'll have a milk mustache, Rufous. You do, you have a milk mustache. Look at me, Rufous. Oh, you saw your dad. Yep, Daddy spoiled it.
I didn't expect that. There he goes.
Yeah, I did. I figured if he spotted you, he'd go. Because he wants to know why you're out there. There we go. Now he's excited. Galloping, galloping, galloping. Zoom. Zoom! I see you. He's hiding behind the tractor. Because there's a rat over here and I've been very excited about it for several days. I saw it the other night. And every night now I check for it to see if I can find it again. What you think? I know you're scratching around looking for your rat. Rufous, you have snow on your whiskers. You look silly. You're so excited. You are. The grass looks cool though. And so does the asparagus ferns. It started as rain yesterday, and then it was kind of a not quite cold enough snow for a while, so it encased a few things in snow. I haven't checked the forecast this morning to see what it's going to do. We were actually supposed to get more than this, but I'm okay with it. Henry's got a dentist appointment today, so that's probably the most challenging thing in the wintertime here is, can I get to my appointments? The snow makes things look so cool. It sort of frosts everything. Hey Rufus, you still snuffling for your rat? He says, I am. I'm gonna get that beggar one of these days. Gonna get that beggar. What you think? I think it's chilly out here this morning. Oh, did you find a piece of cardboard? Yeah, you did. The whole yard's covered with shreds of cardboard right now from him shredding them into little pieces. Picked up a whole bucket of them the other day, but there's still another whole bucket out there. So that's blackberries. They look pretty happy. This will be a nice source of moisture for them. And these are blackberries also. And these are raspberries. Yep. I've got more raspberries up against the house. Got to figure out a place to put them. I'm thinking of a couple different locations. Not sure which one though yet. Probably use an existing bed. I don't see a reason to do a bunch of other work for nothing. Hi Rufus, what you doing? Cut-a-dum, cut-a-dum, cut-a-dum. Cut-a-dum, 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 cut-a-dum. He says, I have to sniff everything. There might be a molecule of Smith that I haven't gotten. But he's got snow in his whiskers, which looks really cute. I love the little top bonnets. This is all black-eyed Susans. And when the petals roll off, you wind up with these little balls. But then, when you get snow like this, you wind up with this little white hat. He's found a piece of cardboard. You found your cardboard. It's got snow on it, huh? Rufus. Rufus. Hey. He's got snow all over his nose. What a goof. What a goof. It's been so mild that all the iris hasn't even died back this winter. I leave the old iris leaves because it protects the rhizomes and stuff down there and helps to keep the freeze-thaw cycles from being quite as extreme. Yeah, it's chilly this morning. The watch says it's 28 degrees in the national forest, so it's probably closer to 24 here. Are you ready to go in now, mister? I think Mom's ready to go in. Her feet are warm, but her fingers are cold. Yeah, her feet is warm. Oh, look at that mustache. Look at that mustache that you have. Rufus, look at me. I am too busy snuffling to look. Rufus! Yeah, he's snow all over his whiskers. Says, now I have my cardboard. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna chew on it. I love my cardboard. What a goof. Okay, Goof, let's go inside. I'm busy. I'm busy.